What is if word in Arabic? What is shit in Arabic? If you really want to know this word, please keep watching. So the word we're talking about in this lesson is aha. It's a very rude word. We consider it as a very rude word. We don't use it in a formal conversation. Aha. So let me give you examples to make it clear for you. If your friend told you that, oh, your manager will give you a punishment and you don't care, you can use this word. I don't care. Shit. I don't care. Aha. I don't care. Aha. Okay. How we can use aha as if word? Let me give you an example. You have heard a weird thing. You have heard weird news and you are surprised. So at that moment you said, what fuck? Aha. 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 So try to not use this word in your conversations because, as I told you, it's a rude word. We consider it as a rude word. Alright, hope to see you in a nice and respectful lesson.